Hello YouTube. Today we're going to be talking about the Pittsburgh impact sockets. We got metric and standard. Um, Lifetime guarantee on all Pittsburgh items from Harbor Freight. I have to say these sockets have served well. Um, have been used quite a lot, especially to take down all those lug nuts and when you do the tire rotation. These are perfect. Those big suspension jobs, brake jobs with the big old bolts. These are perfect. They serve quite well. I haven't had any complaints. Nothing broken. I mean, you can tell these have been used quite a lot. So, see, you can tell that they've been used. Well, at least this one's most commonly used, 19. But yeah, we've used these and we haven't had any problems with them. It's a good solid investment from Harbor Freight. Yeah, no complaints whatsoever. Sizes, they come from 10. They do skip a few sizes. That's the only downside on these, on Harbor Freight, that they do skip some sizes. But overall, it's a good product to buy. I would definitely recommend these for you guys. It does come with 10, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 24, 27, 30, and 32. And this one comes with 7/16, a half an inch, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, 3/4, 13/16, 7/8, 15/16, and 1 inch, and a 1 1/16, and a 1 inch and 1/8, and a 1 1/4. So they come from anywhere from the 7/16, the smallest, to the biggest, which is 1 1/4. And this one from 10 to 32. It does, like I said, it does skip a few. So just keep that in mind when you're buying these. You might want to find a yard sale there and just buy whatever you need, or from another brand. But this is really good products from Harbor Freight, and they do have the lifetime warranty. So in case it breaks down on you or anything, you can take it back. Yeah, and these are both half an inch drive, and they're both 13 pieces each. Yeah, and as you can see, it's a Pittsburgh brand, CR-V. That's what you want to look for, as in a metal wise. That's a real good metal right there. The C-V, the CR-V. That's what you guys want to look when you guys buy these. There is the Pittsburgh Pro version of these. I gotta say, these are not the Pittsburgh Pro. I would guess the Pittsburgh Pro is the better brand than these, or a better product. But I have used these and they serve quite well. Yeah, this is my quick review on these sockets. Don't forget to hit the like button and the little bell icon on the subscribe button. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next one.